What's going on, guys? What's up? Hoping you guys are doing fine like I am here. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and like this video because it's gonna be so informative. As you can see from the title, in today's video I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can make $1,000 every single month online. Yeah, I know many people actually wonder, how do people survive making money online for a living and blah blah blah. What you guys don't know is that actually you have to have more than one stream of income if you really want to live online and make money online. Yeah, and you don't need to get employed, guys. Please erase that from your mind. In case you're hustling, you're looking for a job, you don't need to get employed by the government or something. Start making money online from today. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
You sing it, hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home.
The first way is to become a freelancer. Yeah, if you really want to make money online, you want to actually earn a living online, you need to become a freelancer. I know this one is so common. Many people know freelancers. In case you don't know what freelance work involves, it involves so many things. It's a broad spectrum, so you can actually make money by online writing, by maybe transcription, by so many things. And actually these jobs usually pay so well. I have done a video on how you can become an online writer. So you do work for people and they get to pay you every single day, depending on how many hours you want to work for a day. Of course, when you're doing online jobs, you are your own boss. So if you want to work more hours a day, then you get paid more. But if you work less hours, you get paid less. I have done a very informative video on how you can actually become an online writer and start making money. I'll put the suggestions here, so keep looking here. I'll put them one here on how you can make money as an online writer and also transcription. Because I don't want to repeat myself, guys. If I repeat myself, this video might end up being super long. But I'm gonna give you the best sites that you can get freelance work very easily. We have Fiverr. If you don't get Fiverr, you can also try Upwork. If you don't get on Upwork, you can try People Per Hour. Those are the best apps that actually give you freelance work. You can get those works on your phone, but then you will need a laptop if you really want to do freelance work. You will need a laptop or a computer, although some jobs don't require a laptop, they only require a phone. So you can start up with your phone, but eventually, if you really want to make an income that actually sustains you, you need a laptop so that you can make more money. Another way you can actually earn a living online is through Etsy. So guys, I'm gonna give you all these ways and at least try to apply 2 or 3 so that you can increase your income. So we have Etsy. This is a site that many people don't know. On Etsy, you get to sell products that are unique to people. For example, I have a friend of mine who goes to Masai Market and then she shops those very unique beads, jewelry, and then she sells them on Etsy. So you can go check Etsy out and see what it entails, see what you can do. Maybe you have a specific skill that many people don't have. Maybe you can make necklaces, you can make anything, you know, wazungu penda tu vitu za ovyo. So anything you can make that is unique. I know many people have a skill that they can do that other people can't, but they don't know how they can earn using that. Just go and check Etsy out and see what it has for you. Another way you can increase your income is selling stuff online. So make use of apps like OLX. This is a very good side hustle. Maybe you already are a freelancer, so start selling stuff also. You need to increase your income by having multiple streams of income. That's how we survive. You might see me on YouTube today, but tomorrow I'm somewhere. I'm also a makeup artist. So we have multiple streams of income. That's why you see we are surviving, and people think maybe we get money without working, but the truth is you have to put so much work. So make use of all those social media apps that you are using. Guys, I always tell you to make use of social media. You can sell stuff on Instagram, you can sell stuff on Facebook, on TikTok. Yeah, I did a video on how you can make money on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. Check those videos out and you guys will get more insight. I feel like I've covered a lot of stuff on how you can make money. If you're my subscriber by now, you know I've done so much. I've done literally everything. Every single detail I know about how you can make money, I've shared with you, and I'm hoping these videos actually help one or two people out here. You can also make money on respondent.io. This is whereby you get paid to do so many tasks. You can get paid to refer people. So in case you have your contacts that have not signed up for respondent, you can refer them. Once they sign up, you get paid. And also you can do online surveys there and get paid. You can watch ads and get paid. You can review games. For example, you play games and then you get paid after you play. You can review maybe things. They will give you so many tasks. So all you need to do is sign up on respondent and then you go and check any job that they have and you get paid. Another way that you can actually make a side income is through surveys. I've always told you guys, people like me, I don't usually use airtime most of the time because I get to answer surveys and then I get paid airtime. So surveys don't really give you so much income, but they give you at least an extra coin that you couldn't have gotten while you are just seated there at home like that. So most of the time I answer surveys and I get paid airtime. For example, you can answer 2 to 3 surveys in a day, you get paid 100 airtime. You see, now you survive on that. You don't have to buy airtime. That's why you see people who work online surviving, you know. And there are so many sites that can give you surveys. We have Geopol, we have, okay, I don't know why Geopol is always on my mind. I remember someone asked me if Geopol pays me to advertise for them. No, they don't. It's actually in my mind because they give me so many surveys. But I've done a video on 6 survey sites that pay. So guys, just search that video. You're going to see the survey sites that actually pay. And I've done also apps that pay. In those apps, most of them are survey apps. So if you want to get paid by doing surveys, you can check those videos that I did on apps that pay, and I believe you will get an insight. Another way you can actually make income is starting a YouTube channel. If you really know how to attract people, you have some content or something. I know you've seen many people are actually making money in Kenya with their YouTube channels. So you can start a YouTube channel and it's a very good side hustle. You can call it a side hustle, although it takes you so much work. I won't lie to you guys. It takes me up to 3 hours to maybe give you this one video because I have to research this video, I have to shoot it, and maybe research will take 30 minutes because I don't want to give you something that is not working. For example, maybe I was using Etsy 2 years ago and then now I want to talk about it. I have to go back and see if it's still working. So maybe 30 minutes for research, 1 hour to shoot because you have to comb your hair, look good, and then appear on camera, talk. You shoot for 1 hour. You have to edit this video, which will take you maybe 1 hour, and then you post it. It will take you now another hour to post because you have to create a thumbnail, you have to write a description, you have to so many things. Like before a video is up here, it has taken you so much work. So in case you have free time, you can also try a YouTube channel. I always encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel, and I have done a video on how you can start a YouTube channel. I'm liking how I'm receiving so much love on that video, so guys, go and check that video out. Make sure you also leave a sweet comment on that video, and definitely I'll appreciate. And also leave a sweet comment on this video too. I will appreciate. Please like my videos. I really do love bringing content here. Please like the videos so that you can encourage me. Leave a comment. You can actually make $1,000 in a month But all you need to do is to have multiple streams of income. So don't rely on one thing. And I really encourage people, especially once you're done with college, instead of staying at home doing nothing, being jobless, you can start doing online jobs in the meantime as you wait to get a job, and they actually do pay well. In case you don't know, 30% of Nigerians are actually employed online. They are not employed by the government. When I read that article, that's when I started a YouTube channel. So make sure you at least have 3 streams of income and you'll be good to go. You'll be making so much money. Just make sure you balance them. Know the one that is main and the one that is side, and you're good to go. And in case this video was useful, please tell us. In case you have more tips, more ways on how you can make money, comment down below and tell us. So I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. As always, please subscribe so that you will still see this beautiful face. In the meantime, watch my other videos. Okay. Until next time, bye guys.